Join me as I make Ann Esselstyn's Mommy's Mushroom Gravy 2.0 for this Thanksgiving. Welcome back to our channel where we offer tips on being plant-based. If you're looking for a channel where you can learn lifestyle medicine tips from a vascular surgeon who treats cardiovascular disease, then this is the channel for you. We also upload podcast interviews from experts in the field of plant-based nutrition. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification button to receive notifications every time we upload a video. Okay, while our potatoes are cooking, we're going to start the mushrooms. This is going to be the Mommy's Mushroom Gravy. We will be using 2 packages of mushrooms. And let's start off with the onion that we've diced. It's a whole onion. We're going to put 2 garlic in here. Now you notice that I have not used any oil or butter to saute the onions, garlic, or mushrooms. These foods have their own natural water that is released when sauteing, thus allowing you to cook comfortably. And then we're going to put our mushrooms. However, if you do require more liquid, you can always use about a tablespoon of the vegetable broth or water. And all of this is going to reduce. Now this is probably where I would make some changes. While we did enjoy this gravy, I would use half of the mushrooms that I use for this gravy. I would slice them thinly, and I would use more broth for the gravy. But overall, you'll see that this turned out to be a great recipe. All right, you can see the consistency of the mushrooms, and this is when I'm going to add the vegetable broth that has some flour, sherry, and tamari. The thing is, you want to add it before you add it to the mushrooms so the flour doesn't get all funky and lumpy. Okay, this is where I realized that I forgot to put the white miso in the mix. So here's the recipe. Mommy's Mushroom Gravy 2.0 takes 1 onion chopped, 2 to 3 garlic minced. You can also use garlic powder to taste. 12 ounces of mushrooms that are sliced, 2 cups of vegetable broth. I think I forgot to add that additional cup. 2 teaspoons of white miso, 2 tablespoons of whole wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of low sodium tamari or soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of cooking sherry. The alcohol will cook off, and also black pepper to taste. I would say it's ready. The only other thing I would need to do is blend some of it to make it more of a gravy. I did add more tamari in there. I'm going to turn it off and let it sit while I work on the mashed potatoes. I'm letting the mushroom gravy just kind of sit there and marinate for a little bit. I have a pumpkin pie in the oven, and now we are going to work on our mashed potatoes. Okay, so here is our gravy, and I'm going to add some of it into the blender. Okay, just gonna chop lightly since there's still heat in here. You'll see that I wanted to puree some of the mushrooms since I felt like I had more than I wanted. Again, I would have used less mushrooms, but overall this was a wonderful recipe. This is the beauty of cooking. You can experiment and figure out exactly how you enjoy certain foods.
It's just as loud as my big one. I thought it was going to be quieter. Okay. All right, I'm going to put this back on there to cook some more. I have Ann Esselstyn's garlicky mashed potatoes along with her mommy's mushroom gravy, and I added some green beans, and let's taste it. Delicious, very good.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe.
Hit that notification button.